What is it? What are you doing?
My happy day.
Okay.
For what?
You're happy.
Nothing more than you guys are getting married.
That's what I was saying. That was more.
He was waiting for the fireworks.
Yeah, exactly.
The kaboom.
How excited are you?
Really excited. More than going to school.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I kind of want to go to school, but instead I want to go to Disneyland.
I'll stand up for now.
Yay!
Oh, you're
Oh.
I know.
You're heavy.
Thank you, Natasha.
You're welcome, dear.
I want to break the camera.
You're welcome.
So Skylar, Jacob, and Seth are all coming, and then we have to change.
For the wedding?
Yeah.
Oh yes. Your dress is in the car.
Is that what it is?
Yes.
What about your dress? Oh yeah, your dress.
Being altered,
What's out there?
so it'll fit me.
Like,
I didn't get as lucky. Mine won't fit
Peace.
like yours will.